Number 1. 1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,750, strong and dependable truck that runs and drives very well. It is equipped with a gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, with 246,000 miles showing on the odometer. The truck holds a clean title and features a long bed, making it well suited for hauling, work use, or everyday driving. The exterior is finished in blue, while the interior remains clean and well cared for. It is equipped with cold air conditioning for comfortable driving, along with good tires that are ready for the road. Both the engine and transmission are solid and perform as they should. Overall, this Dodge Ram is fully road-ready today and would make an excellent work truck or a reliable daily driver. Number 2. 1999 Ford Ranger, price $8,488, powered by a 4.0-liter V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a dependable 4WD drivetrain. With 158,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title, it remains a solid option for both daily driving and off-road use, especially thanks to its factory off-road package and 4-wheel ABS braking system. The truck offers a comfortable and practical interior, featuring power windows, power door locks, power steering, cruise control, air conditioning, and a tilt steering wheel. Entertainment options include an AM/FM stereo with CD/MP3 single-disc player and cassette support. Safety features include dual front airbags. On the exterior, it stands out with oversized 20-inch premium wheels and a durable bedliner, adding both style and utility. Overall, this Ford Ranger XLT combines rugged performance with everyday comfort in a compact pickup platform. Number 3. 1998 Ford F150, price $8,450. It comes equipped with a 4-wheel drive system and a gasoline-powered engine, making it suitable for a wide range of driving conditions. The truck currently shows 167,000 miles on the odometer and is paired with an automatic transmission, which makes driving more comfortable and convenient, especially in stop-and-go traffic or when navigating hilly roads. Under the hood, the 8-cylinder engine provides a well-balanced combination of torque and horsepower, offering strong performance while still maintaining reasonably good fuel economy for its size and capability. Designed with versatility in mind, the proven 4WD system delivers rugged and reliable traction, allowing the truck to handle off-road terrain with confidence while remaining stable and controlled on paved roads. Whether used for daily driving, light work, or weekend adventures, this Ford F-150 offers a solid blend of power, practicality, and durability that has made the model a trusted choice for truck owners. Number 4. 1999 Ford F-150, price $9,500, well-maintained pickup truck powered by a 4.6-liter V8 Triton gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a capable 4WD drivetrain and has an odometer reading of approximately 101,000 miles. Finished in blue paint and offered with a clean title, the truck is mechanically solid and runs and drives very well, with all features functioning properly as intended. The vehicle comes in an extended cab configuration, providing additional interior space and practicality. Mechanically, it is in strong condition and has been well cared for. The only noted cosmetic issue is minor surface rust on the lower rear quarter panels, which does not affect its overall performance or reliability. Number 5. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,936, powered by a strong 8-cylinder gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission that delivers a smooth, comfortable, and reliable driving experience. The truck currently shows 197,000 miles on the odometer and remains well-suited for both daily driving and work-related use. Equipped with a 4-wheel drive system, it provides improved traction and stability in challenging conditions such as rain or snow, while also offering confident handling on dry roads. The combination of V8 power and 4-wheel drive makes this pickup enjoyable to drive while maintaining the durability expected from a full-size Chevrolet truck. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 offers a solid balance of performance, capability, and reliability for anyone in need of a dependable 4WD pickup. Number 6. 1997 GMC 1500, price $8,450, powered by a 5.7L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 4x4 system featuring both high and low range. The truck has 130,000 actual miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. It is equipped with the desirable G80 locking rear axle, the Z71 off-road package, and a factory trailering package that includes an auxiliary engine oil cooler. This SLT trim truck has had only 2 previous owners and recently passed a fresh emissions test, supported by a clean Carfax report. The title is in the current owner's name. It retains its original window sticker, original keys, and the emergency wallet key, adding to its authenticity. Number 7. 1998 GMC Sonoma, price $8,995, featuring a 4WD drivetrain and an automatic transmission, powered by a dependable 4.3L Vortec V6 gasoline engine. The truck has only 71,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title, making it a great example of a well-preserved compact pickup. It is finished in white paint and presents as a solid, practical vehicle. The truck was previously government-owned and has been consistently well-maintained, which is reflected in its overall condition. It runs and drives smoothly, is equipped with good tires, and has recently passed a fresh emissions test. All mechanical and electrical components are reported to function as they should, with no known issues. With its low mileage, proven V6 engine, and 4WD capability, this GMC Sonoma is a reliable and ready-to-go truck suitable for daily driving, light work, or weekend use. Number 8. 1993 Dodge Ram 50, price $4,995, one-owner city truck with a clean title and 151,000 original miles, which is relatively low considering its age. It is powered by a dependable 2.3L inline-4 SOHC 8-valve gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that shifts smoothly and delivers a solid rear-wheel drive driving experience. The truck runs and drives very well, showing signs of consistent maintenance throughout its life, and all systems and features operate exactly as they should. Finished in a silver exterior, this short bed Ram 50 comes equipped with a matching fiberglass topper, providing extra utility for cargo protection and everyday use. A fresh emissions test has already been completed and passed, ensuring it meets current requirements and is ready to be driven immediately. Number 9. 1997 Ford F150, price $3,500. This truck is equipped with a reliable 4.6L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and dependable performance. The truck features a rear-wheel drive setup and has 150,000 miles on the odometer. It has had only one owner and comes with a clean Texas title, reflecting a well-documented and clear ownership history. The air conditioning blows cold, providing comfort in warm weather, and the vehicle remains in solid running condition. Overall, this F-150 is a well-kept pickup that is ready for daily driving or light work, offering a combination of power, reliability, and practicality. Number 10. 1995 Chevrolet S10, price $2,500, good overall condition with a clean title. It is a rare and hard-to-find ZR2 model equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and a 4.3L V6 gasoline engine. The truck features a 4WD drivetrain, making it suitable for off-road use as well as daily driving. It has 163,000 miles on the odometer and comes in a white exterior color. The engine runs and the truck drives, but it does have a noticeable engine noise. The seller wants to clearly emphasize that the engine noise is present, the exact cause is unknown, and no repairs will be made to address it. This vehicle is being sold as is.